Public servants in the employ of state governments may not benefit from the 30,000 naira new minimum wage approved by the federal government. The Nigerian Governors Forum is saying the increment will depend on the capacity of each state. TVC News correspondent Femi Akonde has more in this report.
Arriving for a meeting where crucial decisions affecting their states will be taken. Topmost on the agenda of the Nigerian Governors Forum is the contentious national minimum wage recently approved by the Federal Executive Council. But this time, governors are ready to swim against the tide and perhaps slug it out with organized labor. This is despite a federal government's directive to the National Salaries, Income and Wages Commission to send the consequential adjustments to states as a template in their negotiations with labor.
As far as we're concerned, the best that the forum can do is stick to what has been agreed with states. States were part of the tripartite negotiations. States agreed to 30,000 naira minimum wage. But states also know that there will be consequential adjustments, but that will be determined by what happens on a state-by-state basis, because there are different number of workers at state level, there are different issues at state level. Every state has its own trade union, joint negotiating committee, and they will undertake these discussions with their state governments. That's simply what we have said.
The governors also seem impressed by the way the National Center for Disease Control responded to the outbreak of yellow fever across the country. In August this year, there were reports of 243 suspected cases in 42 local governments spread across 5 states. There was also a total of 34 deaths recorded among the suspected cases.
Members pledged to commit counterpart resources to strengthen mass vaccination campaigns in our respective states. Members also commended the progress made by state governments through their social health insurance authorities to enroll and provide health insurance cover for citizens across the country.
The heroic of Dr. Stella Adadevo was mentioned at the meeting of state governors. She controlled the spread of Ebola in Nigeria at the cost of her life. Since then, her memories have lingered in the minds of Nigerians, and there has also been a loud advocacy for the federal government to immortalize her.